The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, Fkjgp, under the leadership of J. Linkhoi, President of Rambrai Circle, along with other members, conducted an inspection of the Rambrai Primary Health Centre yesterday. During the inspection, the organisation found several shortcomings at the PHC, including the absence of an ambulance, a peon, a night watchman, a paediatric ward and other essential facilities crucial for healthcare services. In light of these issues, the Fkjgp appealed to the government to address these deficiencies and demand to upgrade Rambrai PHC to Community Health Centre.
Kong away ba ka ambulans ang kana ka PHC kamdon ambulans kada po ka PHC amdon ambulans nang ta oksigen ro ka kamdon nang ta kamera mathia kerpang nam ta kikulung nang ta kabaling no kalong wat u sakidar jangan ka PHC ro amdon aduk menta ba cibun ba kiwe ladangin ong sepang ka manpower ite ambarse nak liang jumi kasang in haban ya berkat langro bat ka Fkjgp na West Hill District bangin ra ikni kimat syaka sarkar